Whether your Alma 100 arrives palletized or in a single box, make sure to follow the instructions on the box to ensure it is right side up and you are opening it correctly. Once you have opened the box and removed the foam packaging, locate the Important Documents envelope. Inside, you will find the certificate of authenticity, warranty information, the inspection form for your chair, plus the assembly instructions. Next, carefully remove the chair back, then remove the chair base. Remove the protective plastic from both components. We recommend using your box as a workstation to assemble your Alma 100. You can flip the box upside down or simply fold down the flaps on the top of the box. Place the chair base upside down with the wave clip facing you. You will join the chair back to the base by aligning the keyhole slot on the frame with the insert on the wave clip. It is important that you line this up accurately for perfect fit and assembly. Once in place, insert the 2 screws provided into the frame. The chair base has threaded holes, so when the back is properly installed, the holes will line up perfectly. After tightening both screws, carefully lift your Alma from the workstation and place correct side up. Your Alma 100 is now ready to use. Please contact us with any issues or questions.